YouTube! I am back with a little tutorial on how to make crystal-infused water. And the reason that I came up with this video idea is we wrote a blog post about it maybe even 2 years ago, and it's still the most popular blog post on our website. So here we are. Crystal-infused water is just a really great way to kind of bring some good energy into your body, kind of just align things, and who doesn't need like a little bit more, good vibes and good juju in their life, right? So in fact, from Molly with Love, we actually use crystal-infused water in every single product that has water in it. So I am actually certified as a Reiki master, and so I give Reiki to the crystals, or I charge it with the Reiki energy, and then we infuse that with our water that we use. So that kind of adds another layer of good stuff and love and good vibes into the products. And so you can also drink crystal infused water. And so that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. I've got a big old honkin' rose quartz here. I like rose quartz because it symbolizes self-love and love in general, and happiness. But you could use a quartz, a regular clear quartz crystal, if you want to bring some good vibes into your money life. You could maybe use a citrine. Really the crystal that you want to use and its significance is totally up to you. But the one thing to just be aware of is not to use something that could be harmful or toxic in water. So down in the comments below, I'll list what some of the crystals are that you want to stay away from in your water. But yeah, so just make sure before you choose the crystal that it's something that is, fine to place in water and isn't going to be harmful for you if you were to consume that. So one of the first things that you want to do when you make your crystal infused water is to soak the stone in some cold salt water for a day, just to kind of cleanse the energy. Some people like to charge these things underneath the full moon. If you're super woo-woo, you can do that. You don't have to. Really, crystals and other stones just really pick up on energy, and so you just want to have the intention of clearing any old energy or stuck energy out of the crystal before you use it. And then the second thing that you're going to want to do is to just place the crystal in your hands and kind of just be with it for a moment and charge it with your intention. So if you want to just feel really healthy and a lot of self-love for yourself, you can just kind of sit there for a moment, have that intention, and infuse it with your hands and your thoughts. I am, like I mentioned, a Reiki master, and so if you know Reiki, you can infuse it with Reiki. But Reiki can be as simple as just putting your hand on something. So as long as you have that intention, that's the thing that matters the most. So, and then all you do is pop that, once it's been charged, into a pitcher of water, whoops, which I have here. So yeah, and then just let it sit for a few hours to kind of let that energy, the crystal, good vibes, Reiki energy, infuse into your water. And then when you pour yourself a glass of water, you may notice that it tastes a little sweeter. That's normal, and just be aware if the pitcher of water starts to turn colors, then whatever stone you're using had dye on it and is not a natural stone. So if that's the case, you should not use that stone. You want to use all natural stones that don't have any dyes or other unnatural properties added to them. So that's basically it. That's how to make crystal infused water. It's really simple. It's really mostly about your intention. Oh, one last thing before I forget, you want to use super purified water. A number of reasons for that are that, if you don't have distilled or some water that's super, super purified, you know, it just can harbor bacteria, and the crystal, like the good vibes, the energy of the crystal, it's just not going to be as effective unless the water is totally purified. And unpurified water is just a breeding ground for bacteria and other gross things. So make sure you use super distilled or, you know, clean spring water. That's it. That's how to make crystal infused water. If you have any questions or comments, pop them down below. Make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you like this content, and I'll make more like it. All right, thanks.